All right, well, we went on our way home, and home in quotation marks. We just finally got back to Virginia, and I did, while we was in South Carolina, I did buy me a toy trailer that I'm gonna turn into a toy hauler. It's a 16 by 7. It's got the back door ramps and the way to lock it in. It's still full of stuff from South Carolina, so, but the biggest thing is it'll be making a real nice toy hauler once I get things. So I want to make it to where I can use it as a regular cargo trailer, or I can use it as a toy hauler when we go camping or whatever else. As you can see, it's a nice size camper. It'd be a nice size inside of here. Now I got to come up with some ideas on how to fix it. I do have a V-nose, did get the V-nose on it, and so that'll give me plenty of extra room up front up here to put batteries or whatever else we're going to use for when we go camping. Now I got to figure out, once we get this rest of my stuff out of here from moving, then I can decide what else we can do to make this a good camper or toy hauler. It's even already got the extra braces for the air conditioning all up there, so I can put a rooftop air conditioner on it. And I mean, I got extra height on it, so I got plenty of room and headway in there. And so anybody with any good ideas on the best way to start working on this trailer, leave it in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk with you a little later on whenever I get started. Thank you.